Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gifts for tween girls that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have 4M Easy to Do Crochet Kit. After trying crochet for the first time, 9-year-old Ava T says she'd get a ton of use out of a yarn kit. Though it's a challenging hobby to master, Ava says she plans to keep practicing until she gets the hang of it. This beginner-friendly kit has everything you need to get started, including crochet hooks, a needle, 7 colors of yarn, and step-by-step instructions to create projects like a coaster, placemat, and belt. Moving on at number 4, we have 3 Doodler Start Essentials 3D Pen Set. The 3 Doodler pen offers a kid-friendly introduction to 3D printing. This essentials set comes with the pen, 72 strands of filament in a rainbow of colors, and 10 stencils to get them started. Jennifer Lynch, content developer and toy trends specialist at the Toy Association, told us it's a beginner-friendly kit that will allow crafty tweens to create anything from jewelry to desk decor. At number 3, we have Speed Cube Set, a faster-paced version of the traditional Rubik's Cube. Speed Cubes have a fluid, easy-to-twist design for quick spins. Not only are they great practice for any kid who wants to get better at solving a Rubik's Cube, they can also function as fidget toys. This 3-piece set comes highly rated on Amazon, with one reviewer noting that her daughter has been playing non-stop with them since she received them, and she loves that they have smooth movement. At number 2, we have Swagtron Swag Skate NG3 Electric Skateboard. Perhaps you know a tween who would prefer a skateboard with a little more power than the typical basic model. For that, twins Leah and Ava Clements, who have more than 1 million Instagram followers, recommend this electric skateboard. We've recently gotten into skateboarding, and we really love this mini e-board, they say. Its smart sensor system allows a kick-to-cruise experience that requires less legwork and detects weight and motion, automatically stopping the board in seconds when you dismount. The 9-inch wide dense polypropylene 9-inch wide deck that won't wear, fade or crack. It'll look as good on its 1000th ride as it did on its first. And finally at number 1, Dominique Ensel's Secret Recipes NY Bakery. 12-year-old John T says that early in the pandemic she developed a love for baking as a way to pass the time during lockdown and enjoys trying out fancy recipes. The next one on her list is a cronut, a flaky donut croissant hybrid created by chef Dominique Ansel. John says she's had her eye on Ansel's cookbook for that reason. I'm thinking it must be very challenging to get the recipe right, but it looks so fun to make, she says. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.